3 years ago, when the server was first created, it's just a normal, peaceful hardcore server. That if you die, you're permanently banned from the server. And back then, the server wasn't called Paleo Rivalry. But after the stable SMP rise in popularity, the format of our server changed from being a peaceful hardcore server to becoming an anarchy server. Why? Because other players started killing each other, wanting power to become like Wembu or Flameprogs. But one player was different. So he started recruiting players to join him and he created the Leo Rivalry. The goal of Leo Rivalry was to cause world destruction and server annihilation. The Leo Rivalry has 3,000 soldiers and their power system is different because it has 3 netherite players and 6 diamond players. The 6 diamond players is the captain holding the army and the 3 netherite players is the strongest and can solo mission. The leader of Leo Rivalry is so tactical and smart. That's how he recruited the 3 of the most powerful and deadliest player on the server, and one of them was me. I'm King, specialized with mace and insta crystal. Then Jaden, specialized with sword and spear PvP. And this is Prince Mabala, the only combat master on our server and the strongest, considered the deadliest among these 3. And this is the leader of player rivalry, Brooks. Brooks wants to kill everyone on the server and ban them. But he underestimated the 3 netherite players because the 3 netherite players had their own ego. Because even though King was ruthless, he just wanted peace. And Jaden doesn't want to kill players for fun. And Prince Mabala? Prince Mabala is a combat master and killing players is not his deal. So Jaden, me, and Prince Mabala left the Naleo rivalry and created the Special 5 to fight the Leo rivalry once and for all. The 5 of us killed 3,000 players at once just to defeat the Leo rivalry. And Alan, the leader of Leo rivalry, or Brooks, was locked in a cage. After we won, we host an election and promised to ourselves that the anarchy format of our server, or the anarchy era or the chaotic era of this server, was done and will never come back. But that's what we thought because the world government becomes corrupt and took everything and the players was in poverty, so they had no choice but to kill each other just to get items and to survive the server. So this is the server that I fought 4 years ago. Pathetic.
The world government took everything so they can spoil themselves. We have no choice, King.
You all have a choice, you know that, right? You guys kill each other not because you have no choice. You guys kill each other because it's easier than to grind or do something, bro. This is not the server I fought 4 years ago. Died. I should do something before it got worse. But to my current strength, I couldn't fight them alone. I have to train, and the only combat master I know is Prince Mabala. If you enjoyed this video, please consider to subscribe.